What if I told you, remnants of an alien planet are buried deep inside the Earth? In the 1960s, something strange started happening on the Hawaiian Islands. 1960 Ke Dashak Mine Hawaii Islands Parkucha Jeeb Honalaga. Within just 3 years, 8 volcanoes erupted, one after another. Surf Teen Salon Mine Lagatar Oth Jwalamuki Fatgaya. Now typically volcanic eruptions happen where 2 tectonic plates collide. Tower Par Jwalamuki Wahi Fattehain Jahan tectonic plates Takrati Hain. But Hawaii, it's nowhere near any tectonic plate boundary. Like in Hawaii, Wahan Tokoi tectonic plate boundary Ke Aspas Binai Hai. So why were the most active volcanoes located there? To Akir Dunia Ke Sabse active Jwalamuki Yahin Kyunhain? To find the answer, scientists mapped all the world's hotspots, Banaya, and they found almost all of them connect back to just 2 places, Africa and the Pacific Ocean. Our Patachalaki Ziadat are hotspots to Jagahan Sejuda Huehain. But how do you explore something so deep underground? Likanitni Girayi Mine Chup, even the deepest hole ever drilled, the Kola super deep borehole in Russia, only reached 12 kilometers. Russia Kola super deep borehole B surf, Bara kilometer Takhijapaya, that's barely a scratch on the Earth's surface, yet to Prithvi Kesada par surf, so instead, scientists used earthquakes, to unhon istimal kia bukamp ka. Earthquakes send seismic waves through the planet. Bukamp Prithvi ke andar se seismic waves bejdahain. These waves move at different speeds through different materials. Waves alag material minalag speed se travel karti hein. By tracking these speed changes, scientists built a 2D map of Earth's interior. In speed variations, co-track Karke Vigyanikon ne Prithvi ke Andarka ek 2D map Tayarkia. And that's when they saw it. 2 giant continent-sized blobs under Africa and the Pacific. Artab Unhon Deka. Africa are Pacific ke Nichidoma. They named them Tuzo and Jason. In blobs Kanam Rakagaya. Tuzo, Africa ke Niche. Ar Jason, Pacific ke Niche. But the mystery didn't end there. Lekin Raz Yahi Katam Nahi Hua. Scientists wanted to know, are these blobs causing the hotspots? Vagyanikan Najana Chaha, Kya ye blobs high hotspots Kakaran Hain? In 1994, 2 German scientists proposed a theory. 1994 Mine Germany Ke do Vagyanikan Naek Theory D. They said that as Pangea broke apart, Earth's oceanic crust sank into the mantle. Unhonakahaki Jab supercontinent, Pangea Tut Rahada, Tab oceanic crust mantle main Dub Gaia, forming heavy compounds like iron peroxide. Our Wahanbari Padarth Jaizi iron peroxide Ban Surf Africa Our Pacific Ke Niche Hikyon. Why not until 2022 when Caltech's Qian Yuan entered the scene. Fear IE 2022, Job Caltech KE geophysicist Qian Yuan Ne Ek Naye theory, K Soth Entry Lee. He said these blobs aren't natural, they're alien. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet called Theia collided with Earth. Lagbag 4.5 billion Sol Peleek Mars-sized K planet, Theia, Earth's Itakragaya. The impact melted Earth's surface, tilted its axis and formed the moon. Us takarne Prithvi ko melt kardia, uska axis tilt hua, our moon ka jam hua. And Theia's dense fragments, our Theia ke bari tukte, they sank into Earth's core mantle boundary, becoming Tuzo and Jason. While Prithvi ke core mantle ke beach chup gaye, our Tuzo our Jason bangaye. To test it, UN's team ran a simulation. Is theory co-test Karnake Liya UN ki team, Naek simulation Banaya, they recreated the Theia Earth collision, and the results matched perfectly. Unhon Theia our Earth ki takar ko simulate Kia, our results bilkul matchui. The moon was formed, Earth melted, and Theia's remains sank deep inside. Moonbana, Earth Pigla, our Theia ke Avshesh Prithvi ke Andar Samagaye. Everything aligned with what we see today. Sabkuch Aj ke data say perfectly match Karta High. So, are these blobs alien? Is Theia real? Tokia ya blob suck main alien hain? Kya Theia vastav main da? Well, we don't have samples, we can't drill that deep. Dekia, hamare pas uska koi physical sample nahi hai. Humit nagara nahi kutsakte. But the science, the simulation, leakin science our simulation tokerahe hain ki ya theory sahi ho sakti hai. Maybe, just maybe, Earth still carries the heart of another world. Ho sakta hai. Hamari darti mainaj bi ek dusra planet kadil dadak raha ho. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to check out the full video linked below.